What's up, y'all? It's your girl Nikki PinkkGoddess here. So listen, it is August 30th. The time is 11:04 p.m. And I wanted to do this really quick video because I'm going to start back doing videos on a schedule for those of you that watch my YouTube videos. If you have watched any of my previous videos, you know that I started a 90-day challenge earlier this year. Then I was in a pretty bad car wreck back in March, and things kind of spiraled after that, and I just kind of been putting things back together, right? So I just kind of wanted to share with you guys really quickly what my thoughts are as we head into the last quarter of the year. I'm super excited about the lives that are going to be changed. I had a solid game plan in place for what I was going to do. And a couple of days ago, I was introduced to another platform, and I added that. So I kind of have been scrambling to get everything together prior to the first. So I may be lagging behind just a little bit, but that's not going to stop the plans and everything for starting September the 1st. But I wanted to get this video out there because I realized that my views on my videos have went down. I was kind of struggling to get my channel back because, if you know, I've had my channel for a very, very long time, and it takes a while to kind of get things going on YouTube, with your views and your followers and all of that, and building just an online presence when you've been gone so long. So I just kind of wanted to talk about Freedom for Life system just a little bit. I've had the whole name with Freedom for Life for a very long time because the ultimate goal, that we all want is freedom. Everyone has their definition of what freedom is to them. But to me, freedom is being able to live life on my terms and having real time and financial freedom. I have the time freedom right now. The financial freedom is not where I desire for it to be at this moment, but it is growing and it is increasing, and I'm looking for much more abundance to come because really it is already here. And so I sat down over the last couple of months while I haven't had the time to be able to do a lot of things to kind of figure out exactly the type of system I wanted to put together for Freedom for Life system. And there's two things that's important to me. It is having a system in place that is not difficult for people to create income, having something that is going to allow the ability to create passive income, and of course, being able to receive cryptocurrency. I found out about Bitcoin cryptocurrency in 2017, and I made a lot of poor choices. We live and we learn, and I did not realize then how powerful cryptocurrency would be. I really didn't even take the time back then to really research, exactly what cryptocurrency was. I just was excited for, seeing the growth, participating in some programs, creating a lot of income. And next thing you know, life happened. And so I just kind of wanted to share with you the programs that I have in the specific Freedom for Life system. Consists of two programs. One is based on the crowdfunding platform. The other one is based on trading. Now, I've watched numerous videos over the last day or so since I've been into the trading platform because it was the one that I just added. I was initially going to only do crowdfunding for the remainder of this year. However, while I work on my own product, as that I am working on, however, I added this trading platform because it was very, very lucrative as far as the compensation plan. And so I was looking up, different trading platforms because there are a lot of different trading platforms that's out there. And a lot of people were like, they're paying, $200 and $300 a month for a specific trading platform, and they're focused on the recruiting and not necessarily the trading. And I've watched several videos that were talking down on the focus of recruiting people to the platform. But let's be real here, when you look at trading and the little bit that I've looked at, because for me, I have been against trading for so long because I know that it takes a lot to learn trading. It's not something that you typically can just pick up today and make money with it tomorrow. It's something that you got to study, you got to, get an understanding, and it's going to take time. So of course, if you have a platform, that is allowing you to trade, and they also pay you for referrals, of course, the focus is, gonna lead a little bit more on the side of the recruiting side for getting people that want to trade, that want to change their lives, and you're also getting paid to share the platform with people. Of course, there's going to be the focus on that, because if you're getting into a program and you're paying a couple of $100s a month for a program and you're not in profit, for months, how else are you going to create income if you don't participate in the platform and bring in people on board? You guys work together as a team, and maybe a person that's kind of strong, with the recruiting side can work on the recruiting side to the platform, and you have somebody that's strong and a fast learner. They can start working really, and they may have the time to be able to work on the learning the trading side. It's called working as a team, right? And so that was just kind of my thought process, when I added the trading part to Freedom for Life system. It is definitely something that I have completely changed my mind about. Like I said, I was against it for the longest, but I am no longer that way, especially with this platform. It's been around for over a year, and I was just blown away with the compensation plan and the fact that you can get started with the company to just be a customer to learn how to trade for $100 a month. That is very, very minimal, for what they provide. I mean, most platforms, to really be able to learn how to trade, is much more than that. So it's a lot of reasons why I added that platform to Freedom for Life system. And also the crowdfunding side. I'm super excited about it. They've made some updates over the last couple of days. So I've just been pretty much getting everything together for Freedom for Life system, but everything is pretty much in place. I'm looking forward to really just sharing information, helping as many people as I can. I have a vision that's much bigger than I can even explain right now, but you always know that you have to start somewhere. You may have a goal to do something that is so great, but you can't start at the greatness. You have to kind of start, in a different place that leads up to the greatness. So for me, getting Freedom for Life system together to be able to help as many people as I can, because I know right now with the state of the economy, we're not done with everything. It's going to be, probably a lot worse before it gets better. And so with that being said, we got to make sure that we're helping people, as many as we can. And this system that I've put together is going to do that. It's going to allow the system to do that. It's going to allow you to use automation, and it's going to allow you to use leverage. Those are three powerful things whenever you're creating a business online. You need to have a system, you need to have automation, and you need to have leverage. So with that being said, I just wanted to hop on. I'm going to be doing videos every day. Is my goal to do videos Monday through Friday on my YouTube channel. I plan to do that for the next 3.5 months. I'm going to work better to make sure that I get that done. That is definitely what I plan to do. And I'm just super excited. So if you're somebody that's still listening, I really appreciate you. And if you are looking to partner with a team that's going to allow you to create Freedom for Life, a team that's going to allow you to create some income for you and your family, that has a system in place, someone with the experience to be able to help you. I have been online since February 2008. I have not worked a full-time job since. I am so thankful. I am so blessed. I am just so grateful to be able to still be here, to have learned a lot. So you best believe that I can share some things with you that would be a shortcut so that you don't have to go through some of the things that I've went through. And definitely right now, things are totally different with social media. So you have more of an opportunity to have success much faster than I did, because it's taken me a long time, because of course life happens, and then it's just the way social media has grown. It's going to be so much faster for you to be able to do that than it was for me. And so I'm going to be sharing as I'm learning some new things. I've implemented some new things. So I'm just looking forward to being able to, like I said, help as many people as I can. This is kind of an impromptu. I just wanted to hop on here, but yes, it's your girl, Nikki PinkkGoddess. I want you to hit the subscribe button. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. There's going to be a link somewhere for you to get access to the system. Make sure that once you get, you enter your information, that you get access to the Facebook group. I will be going live in there, weekly as we continue to grow. And so that's it. So I thank you for taking the time out to listen. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you for listening.